Okay, Doug, so I see you manufacture and sell high-end dog treats. When was the last time you updated your website? Alright. Well, your website's not ranking in search for dog treats. That'll make it really hard for new customers to find you. Yes, we need to do a better job with keywords. SEO will improve your search rankings so you can get some new leads. Yeah. Because Doug, you can't rely on word of mouth to generate all your leads. Wow, I feel great about this meeting. We'll get working on an SEO strategy just for you. Do you want to go for a walk?
We can help you with search engine optimization, content, design, and website functionality to drive more traffic and generate more leads. Curious how your website stacks up? Download the Manufacturing Website Best Practices Checklist to help uncover how you can improve your manufacturing website's performance. Or call us at the Whole Brain Group. We are a manufacturer's best friend.